Alright friends, now let's take a closer look at data types, specifically strings. So what's strings? A string is a sequence of characters. For example, I will define a variable name, like full name, for example. Full name is equal to, what's my name? My name is Jambos. Jambos. So I define a string. We use either single quotes or double quotes to define a string. I already talked about this. But in programming, we usually prefer double quotes for full strings and single quotes for single characters. Let's break down. In the string Jambos, I will use my pencil when I explain this. These are all individual characters. For example, in this string, C, A, N, even space, B, O, Z. These are individual characters. Space also is considered a character. In total, how many characters we have? We have 7 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When we surround characters by double quotes, Python recognizes it as a string. Okay, the question is, can we use numbers in a string? Yes. For example, I can define a variable like quote is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since we wrote the numbers in quotes, they are treated as characters, not actual numbers. To print a string, we use print function. So I use print function. Inside the parentheses, I use variable name. What's my variable name? Let's start by printing code. So I right click and run it. We will see our string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's print full name also. If I print full name, I run it. What I will see on the screen? Jambos. Jambos is my name. Yes. So let's continue by updating a string value. We can assign new value to the same variable. For example, if I want to change full name, what I will do? We will use full name variable. Now is full name equal to, for example, Murat Boz. Murat Boz is the Turkish pop star who is really famous in Turkey. So if I change the name with Murat Boz, what I will see on the screen? If I print full name, so I run it, you see. First, I printed Jambos. So after changing my variable value, I print Murat Boz, as you see. So in this lesson, we learned strings. Strings are made of characters. We define them using quotes, double quotes. If we use single character, we will prefer single quote. So we can update a string by assigning new value to the same variable. What happened here? The old value is overwritten. I hope this explanation was clear.